Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to share Google Slide in presentation mode or full size. Okay, so if you want to share your Google Slide to your student or any others, so you can share it as a presentation mode. You don't need to share like this. So there is a two-way you can share the Google Slide in full screen. So first you have to go to the share, go to the click on share button. Okay, and you will see like this. Now you have to change the restriction option from here. Any with this link, click on it and you can make it as a viewer. If you make give the permission like commenter or editor, that people can make changes on your file. So make it viewer only. Now copy this link and open the new tab and just paste and just enter. So your Google slide will be open like this. Now okay, it will be open. Let it load fully. So it is loaded. Now you have to, it is large contain starting with edit and just delete it and right here present and just enter the hit the enter. Now this your presentation mode has been on. Now just copy this link and you can share this link to anyone. Okay, you can share this link on Zoom, you can share this link on WhatsApp, Messenger, email. Okay, so you have to just replace the edit last content from present only. The second option, guys, first go to the share and here you have to change the permission anyone anyone with this link and make it viewer only. Click done. Now go to the file and here click the publish on web. Now just click on publish. You can make some changes if you want, like add to advanced slide and whatever you want. Just click on publish and just click on OK. Then this link will be come here. Just select all by Control and A, Control and C, copy it and paste it, and you can see the presentation mode will be, you can see, and you can share this link also to your student. You can short this link. Okay, you can short this link in URL shorter. You can go to the URL shorter. There is a many option you can see. So you can use any website to make URL shorter. Just paste this link and just click and shorter. Then your link will be short like that. Just copy it and you can share this link to anyone on mail, Zoom meeting, anywhere. Okay, so you can see the link will be work. Okay, you can see this link will be work. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.